Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will do the unboxing and initial testing of this Yojimbo 2000 watts heat gun in which I purchased from Lazada. Please keep on watching until the end of the video, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and press the bell button so that you will get an update for my new upcoming videos. So let us do the unboxing of this heat gun. So guys, this is the box of our Yojimbo 2000 watts heat gun. So let's open it. So what we have inside the box, we have the operation manual with nozzle, and we have the heat gun equipment. So this is the user's manual and safety instruction. Remember guys, any equipment you purchase, you should comply on manufacturer instruction to avoid any accident or injury during operating of the equipment. So we have also nozzle. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 nozzles, and this is the heat gun. This is the Yojimbo 2000 watts heat gun. And this is the switch 1 and 2. So we will operate this, but before that I need to read the manual safety instruction. Okay, let me read this first and then we will operate this equipment. So guys, I read already the manual instruction. So let us start operate the equipment. So this is to 20 volts. Okay, then we need to plug into 20 volts. We will try to bend this by this equipment. So let's put in low. Now it is in low. By the way guys, as per the manufacturer instruction, this equipment shall not be operated if there is nearby combustible material because it was dangerous. So don't operate the equipment if any nearby combustible or any liquid gases nearby to avoid any fire incident. Let the pipe becoming soft and then we will bend it. So to avoid the distortion of the pipe, we need to insert the tube, water tube, so we can bend it easily in the way we wanted. So we bent already this pipe. Okay. Now this one we will try to make it flat. So we need to put the nozzle. Let's put in high mode. So guys, this is the things we done already from this heat gun. So it's okay. It's Okay, thank you for watching.